Hey guys, I'm back and I have the other wig and it came in this packaging. I need to read this. I guess this is a receipt. Yeah, this is my order form. And comes with a, ooh, cute, nice. They even put a stocking cap in here. It's funny how every time I order a wig or some hair online, they always send me a black stocking cap. Can I get a beige one, please? Like, it's so funny because anywhere I order like synthetic hair or a wig or anything, they always put in a black stocking cap. It's cool. Beggars can be choosy. So that was very nice of them. So this is the, what is this? Another hair, another sleigh. That's what that says. This is the Sleigh Lace H Olive. The Sleigh Lace H Olive. Y'all see? The Sleigh Lace H Olive. Okay. And this is by SIS Sister Wig. It's either Slay or Sis or whatever. But I like this company a lot. These are becoming my favorite wigs. So, this is upside down. So let's go ahead and pull that out. Let me stand up. I want you guys to see this and see it clearly. I'm excited about this wig. Sleigh Lace H Olive. And this is the color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's SOMRT 2730. So it's like an ombre kind of style. Oh, nice. Cute box. Cute box. Hold on. Okay. They wrapped that real good. Wait, what is this? Oh, wow. So, they have like this little thing that's attached onto the wig so the wig won't move. So, upon first look, it seems to be a little bit messy. A lot of short, oh gosh, a lot of short hairs right here. Very sloppy right there. This is a mess. And it's inside of the net. Yeah, but this is the mess. Maybe it just needs a little combing and some love and tender care. All right, let me go ahead and take this net off and see what we got. Yeah, this is like, I don't know about this, y'all. There's like flyaways everywhere. Like little short pieces and flyaways, but it's hella nice. But I don't know. Y'all see these short pieces? I don't know if y'all can see that. Guess you can't. But it just makes it look kind of shabby, kind of cheap. I don't know. I mean, I guess for the price it's okay, but I would expect a little neater wig. Kind of disappointed, guys, because I really, really wanted this. You don't even know. I went to the ends of the earth to find this. It's so cute, right? So I'm going to try this on and stop talking smack about it. Nice and bouncy. Not too much hair, so it's not really bulky. And let's see. It's Nice lace front. Oh, nice. So it has combs. See those two combs? This is the front. I really like the fact that this company puts the combs onto the lace wig. And there's a back comb. And that's the tag. It says SIS. So I like that. I like the fact that it has combs. Because, you know, I don't always want to glue down. It's rare that I glue down anyway because I'm so lazy and I don't be having a lot of time to do things. Check out the part. So with some bright makeup, you can bleach that with some makeup. Does that make sense? Bleach it with makeup? Anyway, I'm loving it. I'm loving it already. So, let me go ahead and try this on. Let me try it on. I'm like a kid in the candy store when I have new wigs. Kind of like it. Ooh, I like that. Kind of like this color. It's cute. I hope I don't get a lot of shedding with this, but I'm gonna definitely let you guys know if there's a lot of shedding when I wear it. But I like that. The part is kind of natural looking part. You might want to pluck. If you do buy this, just go ahead and pluck a few out. That's pretty. But I'm gonna tell you guys something. In my opinion, I think it looks better on other people. It definitely looks hot on the girl in the box. I'm not sure if I can really pull this one off. I'm liking these curls though. But these curls are just everywhere. I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all like this? Look at that blonde streak. That's pretty. Look at those highlights. Ooh. I'm feeling those highlights. Yeah, I'm not feeling this. I don't know. It just don't seem right on me. Like, it makes my head look long. Something. And I don't want to start combing it. Just a little bit. I think these curls ain't gonna hold. They probably start falling out as soon as I wear it. Not sure though. I can't be speculating. I don't know. The color's kind of cute. What y'all think? Y'all think I can pull this off? Oh boy. What did I do? What did I do? I kind of like it. Okay. All right. It's growing on me. I can get used to it. I guess I just have to play with it a little bit. I don't know. What y'all think? Comment in the section below. Just be like, okay, Grandma, give the wig away to somebody who deserves it, or should I keep it? Give it away or keep it? Just don't say give it to you. Because that would just be selfish. And then I'm going to think I'm going to look good in it. And then I'm going to want to keep it. Okay. Let me see something. Let me try to put this behind. Let me tuck this under. See what I get. See what it look like without that showing. Let's do a little nip tuck. So I'm definitely going to have to pluck a little bit here and make it a little natural looking with the little baby hairs and stuff. Okay, okay. All right. Let me turn around for y'all. This squeaky chair, right? Sorry about the squeaky chair and the smoke alarm. But geez, y'all should be used to it. What y'all think? Comment below. Again, guys, this is the Slay Lace Olive by SIS. Can I really get away with this? I look like a Charlie's Angel, don't I? I do not look like her. I don't come close. She's so beautiful. Isn't she, guys? See, this is the problem here. Some of these wigs, they put the most beautiful women on there, and they be slaying these wigs. And then when you put them on, they look like this. I'm just kidding. I kind of like it. It's growing on me. So, without further ado, once again, this is the Slay Lace H Olive in the color SOM RT 2730. You guys hear that? The color SOM RT 2730. And this is a SIS sister wig. Okay. Hey guys, once again, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and share if you want to. If you don't want to, don't share. But if you like this wig, comment below. Let me know if I'm gonna slay it or lay it. Lay it in the box for good. See you guys later. Mwah.